I quickly want to mention that this set was bought years ago. I tried contacting Plamoz to see if they were still offering this or had any other products in the line. Now, I didn't get any response and haven't for a couple of years now. If any of you have any more information about Plamoz and know if they are still operational or not, please leave it down in the comments below. So for now, I'm pretty sure this set is no longer available, but I still wanted to show you guys what is in the box to give you a better idea of what I will be doing with it on the build itself. So as you can see, what this kit basically does is convert this from a 2010 GT500 into a 2013, giving it a facelift, some new wheels and some new interior parts, along with a super detail set for in and exterior, and making it look a lot cooler and more realistic. So now let's go through all those parts individually and show the incredible detail that is captured in them. To start off with the wheels themselves, you get of course 4 wheels and 4 tires. These are the honeycomb style wheels, at least I think they are called the honeycomb style wheels, at least I'm calling them the honeycomb wheels, and I really love the look on these GT500s, so I'm happy these were included in the kit and will happily be using them. Along with this, you get new tires with a new thread pattern and overall incredibly nice details and looks. So along with the wheels, you also get a couple of other components for the exterior to do the facelift. First of all, a rear bumper that houses the new taillights and also makes room for the new license plate holder. And then of course you get a upper and lower grille, also a small diffuser for on the front, I'm pretty sure, and or splitter for the front, correction, and a new diffuser for the rear, which houses the 4 exhaust tips instead of the stock 2 from the older version. So to fit in that new bumper, you get, of course, that new license plate frame and those 4 new exhaust tips, which look a lot better in my opinion than the stock 2. And to finish the facelift portion of this one off, you get some new taillight lenses and also some new housings for the headlights. Another nice added bonus is the upgraded brakes, which have a lot nicer looking calipers on the front and also a bit bigger on the rear, which is a real plus side for me, as I do like myself a big brake kit. One of the bigger upgrades for the interior, and pretty much the only aftermarket part in this kit, is the new seat. For a bit more detail on the interior, you also get some photo etch seat belts, which I won't be using as I'm simply not a fan of these, and also some buckles or clasps or the seat belt things on the side of your seat. You're gonna kill me in the comments for that. Not to worry though. With the rear taillights being facelifted, you also get a small decal sheet with a couple of decals for on the wheels, some emblems for on the calipers, and some of the reflectors, and also the rear portion for on the trunk and the decals on the taillights themselves. Now it's a lot easier to do this with the decal than to actually paint them, so I'm really happy that these are included too. And then last but not least, you also get a nice big sheet of photo etch with a couple of nice grills to add some details, some new logos for on top of the engine covers, and various details all around for the in and exterior.